While shifting focus, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister C. Joseph Vijay has proposed talks with his Karnataka counterpart, and this in order to seek an amicable solution to the long-standing Kaveri River water sharing dispute. Vijay is reportedly scheduled to visit the neighbouring state on August 3rd for talks with Karnataka Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar. Ahead of talks, Tamil Nadu's Agriculture Minister R. Vinod said that the state will never allow Karnataka to construct the proposed Mekedatu Dam. He added that Chief Minister Vijay will reiterate the state's opposition during the meeting. He told reporters that the TVK government would not compromise on Tamil Nadu's Kaveri water rights. Delta region farmers have also urged the Chief Minister to firmly oppose the Mekedatu project during the talks. Swami Malai Sundara Vimalnathan, Secretary of the Kaveri Farmers Protection Association, appealed to Vijay to raise the Netravati Hemavati project, which was proposed by late Karnataka engineer Dr. Bhavani Shankar. The association secretary said that the proposed tunnel irrigation system, it could divert excess rainwater from the Western Ghats for the benefit of both Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, instead of allowing it to flow into the sea. Earlier on June 18th, Karnataka Chief Minister Shivkumar had expressed his readiness to discuss the Mekedatu issue with Vijay. This will be the first visit by Tamil Nadu Chief Minister to Karnataka for bilateral talks on the Kaveri issue in several years. The previous DMK government, despite being allied with the Congress, had maintained that talks with Karnataka would not yield results and that the issue should be resolved through legal means. A deficient southwest monsoon and lower reservoir storage have intensified tensions between the two states over water sharing. The issue dates back to over a century, and the timing of the meeting is significant. It comes after decades of legal battles, and this as Tamil Nadu has repeatedly raised concerns over shortfalls in Kaveri water releases, while also opposing Karnataka's push for the controversial Mekedatu Reservoir project. For Karnataka, Mekedatu is seen as a project to augment drinking water supply and power generation. However, for Tamil Nadu, it is a move that could impact the flow of water downstream to its farmers.